This is the Wikipedia page for calculator spelling. You're listening to the podcast where we read Wikipedia pages and provide commentary. Welcome to WikiListen. I'm Victor Varnado, KSN.
I'm Rachel Teichman, LMSW.
Did you do calculator spelling when you were a kid?
All the time.
Calculator spelling. Calculator spelling is an unintended characteristic of the 7 segments display traditionally used by calculators, in which, when read upside down, the digits resemble letters of the Latin alphabet. Each digit may be mapped to one or more letters, creating a limited but functional subset of the alphabet, sometimes referred to as bigilos or bigilosi.
Applications. Aside from novelty and amusement, calculator spelling has limited utility. The popularity of pagers in the 1990s gave rise to a form of LeetSpeak called pagerspeak. Students, in particular, experimented with calculators to discover new words.
English. 5318008 upside down spells boobies. The original attributed example of calculator spelling, which dates from the 1970s, is 5318008, which when turned over spells boobies. Another early example of calculator spelling offered the sequence 0.7734, which becomes hello, or could also be written as 0.1134. Other words possible with the traditional bigilos set includes loose, shell, beige, gobble, Google, and many others. Among the longest are hillbillies and sleigh bells at 11, and glossologies and bibliologies at 12 letters. Another common case, 773426, spells go to hell. 8008 is special in that it can spell boob upside down or right side up.
Special.
7107735 spells shell oil. There are also a couple of names that are able to be calculator spelled. For example, 7718 equals Bill. 46137 equals Lee. 5107 equals Lois. 31773 equals Ellie. And 302 equals Zoe.
Scientific and programmer calculators. Scientific calculators that feature hexadecimal readout using the letters A through F offer more flexibility. Using a scientific calculator with hex capability, the earlier 5318008 example can be improved with the A through F keys to spell boobies, without needing to rotate the display, a practice known as hex speak or base 16.
Students often use this capability and the improved alpha feature that use the letters A through Z to write messages separating words by using the minus sign or other punctuation. In the boobies example above, for instance, a factorial product sign, exclamation point, can be added to create boobies, exclamation point. Most of these calculations do not use 7-segment displays, instead using dot matrix displays for greater versatility. Wow, that brings back so many memories.
I am so happy we get to put this article out into the world.
Yeah, I mean, everybody needs to hear it because people need to remember that 5318008, when turned upside down, spells boobies.
Boobies.
That's a good time. This was the Wikipedia page for calculator spelling. Thanks for listening to WikiListen. To support the show, go to patreon.com/WikiListenPodcast and find us on social media at WikiListen and at wikilisten.com.